I've been following trends, following what's happening, and I've kind of been super laser focused on what's working and what's getting a ton of traction as far as what's called advertising hooks. So how to structure your short form 30-second advertising to get maximum sales and maximum engagement. Okay. And I found another 7 for us, 7 really, really great hooks that are going so well at the minute. So and you can see they're all like a 30-second advertisement, short form advertisement that's designed to get massive amount of attention, also create intrigue, and then get a click to go and make a sale. Okay, within 30 seconds, it's a ton to ask an advertisement to do, but these do it really, really well. So I've also ranked them as well. Here's my first one. Don't know if you ought to hear that, but this one's called "We Need to Talk About This Right Here." So it is, here's the problem. Blackheads in this particular video example. We need to talk about this. Here's how to solve it. Here's how to solve the problem. Here's where to get the problem solved. Okay, that's the format of this. Notice, even though you can't hear it, you can still see what's happening, and that's important. Okay, so whilst we can't hear the audio, you can actually see what's happening, see what's going on. Okay, that's a very, very important consideration for that. Anyway, that's number 1. Where's number 2? Here we go. I really like this one. This is attention, which is an old newspaper space ad strategy. So back in the day, when newspapers were big and they had those little, typically they'd be 5-line, what's called space ads for all sorts of things. And they'd be in the classified section of the newsletter. One of the most consistent ways to write those advertisements was to write attention and then whoever was the target market. Okay. Attention, homeowners, attention, dog owners, attention, whatever it would be. Okay. Super, super good way of writing an advertisement. And of course, those space ads, nothing new online, everything old is new again, have now become hooks for TikTok ads. So this is attention, anyone who uses a toilet. Quite broad, I think you'll agree. If you don't use a toilet, keep scrolling. Well, it's like, okay. So this is eco-friendly toilet paper. Who gives a crap? Okay. Super, super cool. I really, really like that. Not the toilet paper so much. That's okay, I guess, but more the sort of idea behind it. Very, very cool. All right, next is number 3, how to instantly elevate your routine. Where is that little puppy? Here we go. There you go. So how to instantly make something better. So again, this is a call out for people who are already doing a thing and want to do it better. Okay. That's the basic premise of it. Like, you're already doing this. Now you can elevate that by making it even better by doing this instead, or by augmenting it with this. So for us, anybody that's already doing one thing, and let me show you how that might work. So on Amazon, you have, for instance, the frequently purchased together. This is basically that, but in video format. Okay. You're already buying this. Now you need to buy this as well to make it better. People who do this also do this. It's that sort of thing. Okay. Works really, really well. Notice none of these videos have got really, really high production values either. Okay. I want you to kind of get across the idea and dispel the myth that this has to have huge high production values. It doesn't. That's not important. Next. Here we go. If you are, and again, tired of low quality cuts, it's the call out. So now, well, yes, I am actually. So in terms of like a structure for these ads, it always starts with, here's who it's for. Now we're going to say, Here's the target market. Here's who we're aiming this at, you know? So we're kind of, it's that great headline that starts something off. Tired of low quality meats. So they ditched it and now this is the problem. And then they offer the solution, okay? Again, very, very clever. Number 5, kind of going to blast through these for you. Again, call out. If you're tired of trying to do this, then this will help. It's like, is this product for you? Are you in this market? And these work across all different things. If you're tired of your dog itching all the time, this will help, for instance. So when I look at these, I'm thinking, my product, how can I then apply that same ad structure to my product? And really the easiest way to start that is just to think about the product, but put your product in the place of it and then kind of just mash it up to get it right for you, okay? I love it. We'll do one more. This one. Good night to problem, hello, solution, okay? So if you've got a problem with harsh fabrics when you're sleeping, well, here's the solution. Here is the solution, okay? If you've got a problem with your dog doing X, got dogs on my mind at the minute, with your dog doing X, here's the solution, okay? So that's how you can structure your ads. And what I love about this is, one of the hardest things as a e-commerce entrepreneur when it comes to marketing anyway, is coming up with new ideas, new fresh ways to market your product that your audience hasn't seen yet, new hooks to try, new strategies to try. That's pretty difficult to do on a consistent basis. You might be able to do it for a few times, but then over time, you know, you're like, oh, what can I do this week? Here's a way that you can get all the ideas by watching what other people are doing and creatively applying it to your own products as well. Not just on TikTok, not just on YouTube, Instagram, wherever it may be, you can use it across the board. You can also use these as well as scripts for influencers. You can share a video, one of these, and say, I want you to do a video like this, but for my product, for instance, which is something I'm going to do. I want you to do a video all about this particular Japanese medicine, but in this format for an influencer. So then you've got some user-generated content you can then use for your marketing as well, okay? So you can also use it that way if you don't want to do these things yourself. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.